Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this automatic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, there's tinted rear windows and a black roof. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter and also a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got the 8-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 7,500 miles. There's also some great safety features including blind spot detection, speed limit recognition and lane keeping assistance. And if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.